product design workshop is mostly for speeding up the process of bringing a product to the market. Usually there is like a lot of implementation before the product is released. There is a lot of risks regarding that. So the product design workshops are intended to first of all lower the risk because you can validate your idea about your business with the real case scenarios before you going through the implementation process. So first of all, the reduction of costs and the possible risks. You can basically polish your product before you going with it live for the wide audience. That's especially true for the startups. One of the reasons why lots of startups are failing is because they are basically not validating the idea with the real world. Instead of spending lots of time with bringing the product to the market, you can spend, for example, 1 week with us on our workshop and validate your idea. So we usually starting up with finding out what is your product about. After we have that, so we have a notion what do you need, we basically starting up planning how we can proceed with the creation of prototype. So we need all of those informations before we can start work on it. But the general idea is to create a high fidelity prototype. So usually we're aiming for something very similar to the end product. After the workshops, you usually have a prototype and we are proceeding with the roadmap for the implementation of that product.